What is up, everybody? So, I have this friend that plays guitar, and every time he got a new amp, I got to see it, and every time I was like, yo, that's such a cool amp. And then I looked behind it, and it was empty, it was simple, and I thought to myself, I can build something like that. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Let's do this. Cue the intro. Okay, so I'm gonna start spewing out some science in order to understand how speakers actually work. Here. I grab a little wire and I pass a current going that way. Because of science, it's gonna create a magnetic field around this wire. And if I bring a magnet around it, it's gonna repel. Now, if I switch the current and it goes that way, if I bring the magnet again, it's gonna attract. Then, by switching the currents going back and forth and having a magnet nearby, the wire is gonna go up and down, up and down. Attach a membrane to it, boom, you have a speaker, you have sound. Okay, I've seen a lot of videos where people try to do this with like paper, but I kind of skipped the kindergarten class where they teach you how to cut and glue, so it didn't really work. Yeah, since clearly that didn't work, I tried a little recipe of my own. Here, I'll show you. So, since this is not the 90s anymore, I don't need paper to build my speakers. No. I can just 3D print it. I designed this part so that these really strong neodymium magnets can just fit right in. It's only meant for one, but they're really hard to separate, so I'm not going to separate them right now. If I coil up some wire and put it in a balloon, stretch material, and then just put it on top, I get my little speaker. Okay, I plug it to my computer, pass it through this little adapter, and run some coils through it. And that's it. So here, let's press play and see what happens. The cool part about these is that you can see the vibration going up and down. Here, let me show you. Now, the only difference between sounds like these or sounds like these is how fast the computer changes the voltage or the current. If you want really high pitch, the computer sends a signal with a really high frequency. If you want a low pitch, the computer sends a signal with a really low frequency. And that's it. That's how speakers work. Simple as that. Hi everybody, thank you all very much for watching. It was really fun making these speakers work, and it's fun. If you're interested on how electric current through a wire creates a magnetic field. Henry and Derek from Veritasium and Minute Physics did a great video, and link in the description below. Hint, it involves Einstein. So, I hope you laughed, I hope you learned. If you did either of those two, please hit the like button and let me know. If you're not watching Derek's video, here, there's a couple more that I've done. And if not, here, click my face to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Yeah, my desk looks like a balloon graveyard.